Hello, what is up everybody, RFD Sound here, back with yet another Diecast car video. And in today's video, well, as you can see in front of me, you can see two awesome looking cars which I've reviewed in the past, which are the Nissan Skyline GTR R34s, made by Minigt specifically. And what I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna review another one, but this time not in the Nürburgring spec livery. Instead, we're gonna review the Nissan Skyline GTR Top Secret Edition in Bayside Blue, which is, yeah, something different from the other two that I've done a review of at the back right there. So yeah, this is number 531 from Mini GTs, I guess. Mini GT right there, and Top Secret. So yeah, that's the box. Here's the back. TSM model, Nissan Motor Corporation as usual. But yeah, let's go ahead and open this one up. So the prices for one of these Top Secret GTRs have skyrocketed after a few days of selling, because they are absolute top sellers in basically any other resellers market, or maybe, like I said, Mini GT's official seller, I guess. But yeah, here we have the Bayside Blue Nissan GTR R34, and this is a hotcake, especially when it comes to this car in, let's say, if you're buying from a third-party market or so. It is really tough to find. And another thing is, you can only find it for prices up to, I don't know, it would be like $20 or more. Let's say it would be, I mean, it's more than $25 right now because of how the retail is for this car. It's really hard to find, and well, this is not the only car that's hard to find. Obviously, all the Top Secret cars are definitely hard to find, and this is one of it. Obviously, looking great in this Bayside Blue, just like the original that we have, which is from the Nürburgring edition, obviously the spec version 2. And this is the Top Secret one. As you can tell by the car's body, you have some slight touches and differences, which I'm gonna explain about later on in this video. But yeah, for now, you can see the car on this turntable, which is absolutely nice. The car is honestly really cool. Like, the whole spec of it in this Top Secret version obviously looks pretty nice. I believe for Top Secret, I think this should be one of Smokey Nagata's projects, if I'm not mistaken, in this in real life. But yeah, let's go ahead and check out this car. Even though this is not newly introduced, obviously it has been introduced a few months ago, yet this car still is hotcakes today because, well, obviously, one is the marketing price, two of how rare it is for you to get it. I think I got it for like, I don't know, the $15 or so back at the time, and now it's $25. So yeah, it's crazy to see that price. But yeah, here it is, the car itself, the Nissan GTR R34 Top Secret. And judging by the rims, they look nice. I mean, like, it's a combination of silver and gold, which absolutely nice. Looks pretty nice, as you can tell from the side. Why did I okay, normally I start on this side, yeah. So here, we start from this side first. I don't know why did I start from the other side. Ignore that just now. But yeah, overall looking pretty standard from the side. No sponsors or anything. Pretty clean. Reminds me of this one last time I reviewed. But yeah, here is the right side, I would say. So moving on to the front, you obviously have the headlights, which are in that normal tint. GTR logo, and surprisingly, an exposed intercooler. Now let's talk about that intercooler. The previous one did not have the exposed intercooler, which is interesting while you judge the front of the car. Now, there are more differences. As you can tell, you have like, I don't know how you would say it. It's like a slight difference from the front bumper. I just don't know how to describe it. It's like a bit more aggressive, to be honest, from the original. But yeah, you can kind of see it. But yeah, that's enough of that. You have the front blinkers as well, which is pretty cool. You have this tiny little front splitter right here, if you can see it. But yeah, that's the front. Moving on to the hood, we have some awesome looking carbon fiber hood. Obviously not actual carbon fiber, but still, yeah, you can kind of feel the texture right there. It's pretty nice. And it says Fusion R, is it? Yeah, Fusion R right there. And you have the hood scoop on the front right there, which is awesome to see. Yeah, but yeah, I love the carbon fiber hood. Looks pretty nice. Sadly, it's not applied to the roof, but then again, it still looks pretty great. Here is the other side that I showed originally. I don't know why did I start from this side first, but yeah, that is pretty cool. Moving on to the back, you obviously have the iconic rear lights for the Nissan GTR. What is that? ORC, I guess that's a sponsor as well. More carbon fiber on the rear boot of the car, I guess. Big spoiler as always. I think it's a bit different from what we have on the previous model. Yeah, this is quite different for the rear spoiler. And single exhaust pipe, and what does it say? Top secret for the license plate right there. You have the brake lights and reverse lights, which is yeah, looking pretty nice. I do like the color car itself. So moving on to the base, Mini GT. What's that? Made in China. Yeah, you have a blacked out base, which yeah, looks pretty good. I'm wondering why this part of the base is in metal, whereas this part is sort of like in plastic. Is it? Yeah, this is metal. This is plastic, which is interesting. Maybe it has something to do like with the rear part. Oh, it's with the license plate. No, it's not. It's not actually with the license plate. Don't know why this part is actually plastic. There's no other part. Oh, except for the front splitter. I think it has something to do with the front splitter. Not entirely sure. Oh yeah, just actually see what car is it. 1999 Nissan Skyline GTR. That's interesting. Never seen like them putting their car names on the base for Mini GT. But yeah, that's cool. Actually, I should put with this GTR. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Good right there. But yeah, let me know what you think down in the comment section down below regarding this Nissan Skyline GTR Top Secret Edition. Overall, to me, I know it does kind of look like the original that I've reviewed previously, but then again, it just looks a bit more better, obviously, especially in that Top Secret variant. Obviously, it looks pretty nice, but other than that, you don't have much difference compared to the original one. But for me to judge, I would say the Top Secret wins it better. But judging by the price that it has right now, no, I wouldn't recommend you getting it for now. Instead, go for better cars. I would say go for better brands. Instead of you focusing on Mini GT and wanting to buy this Top Secret, but in that $25 range, I should just recommend you to go find other brands such as Time Micro, let's say Tarmac, maybe Shuko. That would be nice. Inno64, and I believe what's the other one? I forgot. But yeah, there you go. That is my review of the Nissan Skyline GTR Top Secret Edition in the Bayside Blue. Obviously, honestly, to judge this car, yeah, I shouldn't skyrocket to that price. I mean, it could have just stayed in that $15 range, but still, if you have to go up to 25, better find a different model. I mean, you can go for GTRs, but maybe find a different brand to buy it. If you're like me and you're lucky to buy it at the $15 range, then yeah, you might just keep it. But when you get it in that $25 range, you better buy it something else. I mean, like, you'd waste your money on a Mini GT, which is normally $15, and all of a sudden you see it skyrocket to $100. I mean, no, not $100, $25. That would be pretty insane. But yeah, there you go. That is my review of the Nissan Skyline GTR Top Secret Edition. Once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. See my other videos. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and let me know what you think down in the comments. And once again, thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.